Okay, we're back at it. Here I'm showing the new case, Corsair 4000X RGB. And here's what the focus of this video will be, the Kraken Z63 NZXT. So we got to install that on here. All right, let me start opening things up. All right, got the case out, glass panel in front and the side. Look at that. All right, next up, opening up this guy. Okay, here's the different parts. So 2 fans, pretty big ones. All the different brackets. We went to AMD one. Instructions for slot AMD one right there. And so here's the pump and the metal plate that goes on the CPU. And inside the box here's the actual radiator. All the water is already inside, or whatever liquid they use. I think it's just water. And here's the pump, or the tubes to the pump. All right, so let me put on the bracket next. So let's go over the CPU. Okay, I got the AM4 standoffs here installed. Had them upside down at first, but followed the instructions and they went in real nicely. I had to take these off. These are the standard mounting brackets or whatever that was on there. So took that off. And then also I had to swap out a back plate on the actual pump here. So now we have the AMD one. And note that it already has the thermal paste. So next up, I'm going to actually install it here. All right, so I took the panels off the case. This is what it looks like now. Got 3 fans in the front. I'm gonna mount the radiator up top. And then when I take the back off, you can see how nicely the cabling is done. This is for the RGB, I believe. Under here is where the hard drives will slip in and out. And so in here was a little box that had the manual in it, so you had to kind of dig for it. And it also had these packages for cable management. Pretty nice. All right, so I'm actually going to have to get the motherboard in first. The motherboard's going to go in this side, so I'm going to lay it down because it's going to be hard to get the radiator in without the motherboard already mounted. So that's the next step. Great, got the motherboard slotted in there. So the AIO's at the back there sticking out. And looks like we are going to have room for the radiator on top, which is good. So next I have to mount these fans here. I think they just go in with these guys into the radiator, and then the radiator itself, you screw in from the top of the case using the smaller ones. So let's give that a shot, see how it goes. Okay, all screwed in now. All right, pretty sure the fan's going the right way. See the label here. It's gonna blow air in, I believe, cooling off the radiator. Radiator's bolted here with these screws, and I got a little dust mat, and it's upright. Ooh, magnet, nice. Very cool case, I'm liking it. So for cabling, there's a little USB micro here, kind of annoying because it only goes one way, so you gotta wrap the cable around. That plugs into the internal USB 2 over here. There's also, you can't really see it, but each fan has a cable, and they're connected to a single wire that I ran under here, and that's connected to the board right under here for the water pump connector port right there. All right, so that's the water pump, the NZXT Z63. That's it for this video. Next, we'll be working on some of the other things, like I got an SSD I want to put in, not the M.2, but another one. What else am I forgetting? Oh, the power supply. So I'll actually connect this thing to power probably in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.